Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. And our topic today will be on the perimeter of a sector. Now on the board we have a question. Follow me as we solve it together. All right? Now we have to calculate the perimeter of a minor sector in this diagram. Now, in our previous class, I've explained what a sector is. I've said a sector is a part of a circle enclosed by two radius and an arc. Okay, that shows that a sector must have two radius and an arc. Okay, if I draw a circle like this, and this is the center of a circle, this is my radius, this is my radius, this whole part is known as a sector. So this is radius, and this is arc. So you see, this is arc, radius, radius. So a sector must have two radius and an arc. That is why the perimeter, the perimeter of a sector is equivalent to two times radius plus theta over 360 degree multiplied by 2 pi r. Don't forget, this whole formula, this one is the length of an arc. This one to this place to this place. This is the formula for this. And the two radius plus radius. And that's why we have this. Okay? Now, this is our, I think this should be the sixth formula. This is number 6 formula to calculate the perimeter of a sector. Now, in this case, what are we given? We're given our radius to be 6 centimeter. We're given the angle that the arc subtended to be equal to 120 degree, and we have to find the perimeter of the sector. Now, the perimeter of the minor sector, that's what we have to find. Now, we go to the formula, 2 times radius, and our radius is 6 centimeter, plus my angle, this angle is for the minor sector, okay? That is 120 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by 2 times 22 over 7 multiplied by my pi is 20 over 7. Please take note. Anytime when you are not giving pi, your pi is always 22 over 7 is a constant. If you are given the value, use the value you are given. Sometimes you can be given 3.142. If you are given 3.12, that's the decimal form of a pi. Use it. Okay? But in this case, I'm not given, so I will take my pi to be 20 over 7. Then my radius is 6. Okay? Now in this one, my 6 here 1, and 6 in 360 will give me 60. Okay? Now 60 here 1, 60 here 2. Okay? What do I have left? I have 2 times 2 times 22 divided by 7. Okay? Now 2 times 6 will give me, and 2 times 6 will give me 12 plus 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 22 will give me 88. So we have 88 divided by 7. Okay, and that will equal to 12 plus 88 divided by 7 will give me 12.57. 12.57. Automatically, this will be 12.57. This will be 24.57 centimeter. This is the length of the minor arc. But if it has to find the length of the major arc, the length of the major sector will be equals to, we're still going to use the formula, but what will differentiate that is that our angle, let me draw the sector so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay? Now this is the sector where it has to calculate. We still have our two radius, then we have the major arc. Okay, now for the major arc, this is the angle we are going to use. If this is 120, this op the other one will be 240 degrees. That shows this place to this place will be 240 degrees. That is what will change. Okay, now that shows my radius is still 6. That is 2 times 6 plus my angle not change, which is 240 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by my radius, which is 6. Okay, now 6 here 1, 6 here 60. Okay, 60 here 1, 60 here 4. All right, so now in this case, what do we have? We have 2 times 6, which is 12, plus we have 4 times 2 times 22. We have 4 times 2 times 22. Okay, that is 176. We have 176 divided by 7. Okay, that is 12, plus 176 divided by 7 will give us 25.14. Okay, if you add that together, that will give us 37.14 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the major sector. So from this point, go like that, go like that, go like that, and come back to this. So this length, all run like that to this point, is 37.14. And this one, from this place, you go like that, is what? 24.57. If you find this class very helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Now in our comments class, we're going to talk about areas of segment and area of sector before we go to the last aspect, which is the angles in a circle. That's our major focus. We'll be going straight after this segment and sector. We'll be going straight to different angles we can have in a cycle. Okay, kindly subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.